Okay, it's a little video just to show you where the head airbag is on a T5. It's a Caravelle or Multivan. Just pull the front headlining down. There's actually two airbags in there. There's one further back, and then you've got this guy here, which is just sitting above the B pillar. And there's a connector, and I found the source of my problems, which is somebody has decided to use some crimps to connect the airbag wires back up, which is less than favourable. It should be soldered and heat shrunk, so it's a nice good solid electrical connection, and I can actually pull one of those wires and it comes loose, which is not ideal for a safety item. And before you work on any airbags, you always want to disconnect the battery, which is what I've done. I've also taken the fuses out my charge controller from the solar, so we don't get any back feed and any power coming back that way. Hopefully that will help you.